Welcome guys to Mama Joan house where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say my house hot. Guys, it's hot like a Scotch bunny pepper. Today guys, me have a little video where me I go run pan Cyan. Guys, this is going to be for die for. Guys, you don't know me always love my wig. See my wig here where me I go wear. But my wig where me I go wear, if you wear the wig like this and brush it down, you know, you can see the wig how it is. So if you wear it like this and brush it down, but you know the prank when me I go run Panaris, me I go turn the wig back way. You understand? She's have our you guys know say it a come to time now where this is the last year for my baby girl at school, so she have our prom. So I am gonna carry her, go pick up a couple of our girlfriends them because them gonna look dressed for prom. So in looking dressed for prom, what I decide to do is to wear my wig back way and my fit. When me I wear it's kind of different because I don't know color no match. Me have on a blue vest, a purple, a blue vest, sorry, and a pink shirt. You understand? Because old people we dress anyway. So this is my fit. If we pick up our girlfriend them, if we carry them go look on them prom dress, we see what them can find for the prom. You understand? But she inside, I get herself together. You understand? So with me now, take off the wig and
oh my God!
Me I wear the wig. So me I wear the wig and I stick up beside them so that it look nice, guys. Tell me what you think. You think it look very nice and fancy? Yes. New style. That's the way me I go do. So anyway, guys, I'll be right back. So me I fix it up, you know. Get it out. Get it out. Make it look real good. Yeah. This is good. Okay, she'll come here now.
I'm thinking of I might lay in the back seat.
Why you want to go in the back? No, come sit at the front. Why would you want to go to the back? Don't want you in the back. When your friend them come, your friend them not going to sit in the back.
I want to nap until they have to come.
That's all they've been doing. You nap.
Okay,
You can't find nothing else to do?
That's not true. I was up late last night.
Why? Because you're up on March break now, you figure you can't stay up and sleep. You need to go to your bed and get your sleep. So that when you go up on the road, you're not worry about whenever you go up on the road. Okay?
Okay, what's going on? What's going on with your look?
What's wrong with my look?
Like,
what's wrong with my look?
Is that?
What? I see we wear all the time. What's wrong with my look? My look is good. My look, you know, my look is nice. You know, like my hair. My hair is good. What's wrong with it?
When did you buy that?
Huh?
When did you buy
may have
that
this
wig?
long time.
Turn, let me see. No, sir. No.
We have this long time. So I know you
what
just
kind of,
see this.
No, what kind of style is this?
This
doesn't look good.
Oh, you mean that look good?
First of all,
so
why are you driving
like?
out the driveway? First of all.
Oh, you mean why am I are we gonna wait till midnight before we go pick up your friend?
No. First,
so
we're not going anywhere yet. We're not going anywhere yet. What's going on with your hair? We're going in the
There's
mall.
nothing, yeah, and there's nothing wrong with my hair. My hair is fine. What's wrong with my hair? There's nothing wrong with my hair. I wear this wig all the time. I drive with you all the time. So nothing wrong with my wig.
Your head looks like like it's squaring out your head. It doesn't look good, Grandma. I'm just telling you the wig doesn't look good. That's all I'm saying.
Okay, what don't look good about it? Tell me what don't look about it. What you see don't look good about it?
Like it's on the side. Look in the mirror. On the sides,
yeah,
it's fluff out like square.
Yeah. It's a new style. Listen, every time if we just wear the same dreary down, it's a new style sign. It's a new style here. That's why I bought it. It's a new style. And I know you see me wear this already. It's not the first time.
Okay, do you have
I'm buy a shoes too. Have you ever what?
A hoodie.
No. Why would I want to do with a hoodie?
Grandma, you're gonna have to change. Just take off the wig and just wear your regular hair.
No, I don't want to take off the wig because my hair does not look properly underneath it. So why would I take off my hair and take off what this now will look good after something where don't look good underneath it?
And let you leave the house looking like that. I'm so sorry, because that then
What
they're
time?
gonna say
I
that
don't look
people
nowhere.
are gonna look at you
Okay.
and say that I'm walking up and down with you looking like that, and I didn't tell you that your hair.
So
looked
okay,
like that.
you're walking up and down with me looking like that. That like what that look like?
It doesn't. The wig don't look good, Grandma. I'm sorry. I don't know.
You keep
I don't
telling
know if
me.
you're not
Okay.
seeing straight, or I don't know who influenced you. Was
It
it
don't
was the
look
wig
good.
on clearance?
No, the wig wasn't on clearance. But when you say it don't look good, what do you mean it don't look
Come in
good? What does it look like?
One Halloween wig you would have get in a Party City costume suit set.
Oh!
No, sir. This is not Party City wig. This is a Chinese shop wig. This is a Chinese shop
Then
wig.
buy at the same place. Then buy at the same place. So
This is a Chinese shop wig.
Anyway.
We wear this wig all the time.
Okay,
It's not the first
like,
we wear the
maybe
wig video. And yes,
brush
spoil up the
brush
style.
it or something.
Yeah, spoil up the style.
Mama, we don't have time. We do not have time to play around or anything.
Okay, so
Stop.
let's go.
It's 5 o'clock.
Yes.
We don't have time to play around. Change the hair. Change
I
the hair.
am not changing my hair. My hair is fine. What wrong with y'all look at me like something wrong with me.
Your hair looks funky. Your outfit is mismatched colors. I mean, okay, I don't want to be rude. I don't want to be
what
rude.
grandparents wear? Well, this is my color. Me have on a blue top and a pink shirt and then a
Enough
blue vest
about
and a
the
pink
style.
shirt.
Enough about the
So
style.
nothing
Just
wrong with
change
that.
the
And this
wig,
is
though.
a nice wig. This is a nice wig. My wig look good. Look quite nice and fluffy and stay. Look on the front. What the f***? Why you want me to change my wig? There's nothing wrong with my blood clot wig. My blood clot wig is good. Bumbo clot. What's wrong with my wig?
All right, well, just
My wig is good.
stay in the car because just stay in the car, and when my friends get in the
So
car,
what-
keep
so-
your head straight. Don't bother look back at them or anything like that. Just keep
What
your
you
head
should have
straight
with them,
this
see me
way.
when them are coming
Just
on
keep
the
your
car.
head straight this way the whole entire time because I can't have you embarrassing. 2 of these people that are coming, 2 of them,
Yeah,
only one of them have met you before. The other 2 never met you. So I don't want to embarrass myself like that. Just keep your head
So,
straight.
okay,
if you're gonna wear the wig.
so what you want to say? Me is an embarrassment to you? We're gonna be an embarrassment to your friend?
Well, the wig.
So your friend them can look on the wig and like the wig. Not because you don't like it, them won't like it. That is another thing. Maybe them likeness, your likeness and for them
Okay.
likeness is totally different.
When you
know,
put on a wig,
you can't kill
and
it.
you do your hair.
Yeah.
It's supposed to enhance and make you look nicer. This just
But
a
this-
jug you. It's just a jug you down. You look coming like one homeless woman or something like you buy it at a thrift shop or something. Where you buy it?
Me
It
buy
doesn't
it
look
over
good.
Me buy
Anyway.
it over the Chinese shop.
Okay,
Me
okay.
tired to tell you.
I'm telling you that
And
it's
this is
not
the
making you
first.
look good though.
Why me not see nothing wrong with it? Everybody say it look nice.
said that?
Your grandfather tell me say it look good. So me don't know
I'm
how
so
you
sorry.
tell me now say it look like something when me buy a thrift shop. When your grandfather tell me say
It
my
just
ear look
it's
good.
just a
you understand?
drung your dung so. It's just making you look like a sad puppy. I'm sorry, I can't.
Like a sad puppy?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
A sad puppy? A sad puppy is so nice to look like a sad puppy. Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
okay, let's go. I
So
don't
you
have
know
time.
a sad puppy, you
We don't
just
have
keep the
time.
puppy, you just keep a sad puppy.
Okay, Grandma, we don't have
good,
time. Let's
you
go.
know?
Let's just go. If
Okay.
you're gonna wear the wig, but make sure you keep your head straight. Don't look back at my friends or anything like that. And you're staying inside the car when we go. I'm not trying to be rude or anything. I'm just saying that the wig looks crazy, and I can't have you walking up and down like that. Seriously, like not to be rude or anything like that.
But you're being goddamn rude now. You're being rude.
Grandma, I'm sorry. Like seriously, you think it
Serious-
seriously looks good?
Of course it look good. Nothing wrong
Pull the
with
mirror.
it.
Pull down the mirror.
Sit okay. See the mirror.
When
there.
you
I've been
look in the
looking.
mirror, do you see a raccoon tail, a beaver tail on your head? Or is it just me that's seeing it?
What the fuck? You see a raccoon tail on my head?
Beaver
You
tail,
see a beaver
raccoon.
tail?
I don't know. It don't look good. It don't look good. I don't know what more to say. I don't know what more
You
to
ever
say.
say me something look like a freaking beaver tail?
does.
Or a raccoon
It does.
tail? That is very disrespectful. No to blood clot.
Okay, you
you
know what?
disrespect me now. That
Let's
is
just go back
disrespectful.
inside.
Yeah, me I go back inside to blood clot.
And give me the keys.
Listen,
Just let me-
No,
just
you
let
not
me-
drive me
just let
blood
me
clot
take the
car.
car.
You not drive me car gone away. I mean, I carry you and your friend go buy nothing. So go look for nothing. So you and your blood clot won't get the me car. Because you come tell me about me look like a clot raccoon. Come out of my car, Cyan. Come out of my
I'm
car.
just trying to be honest with you. And
Come out
you
of my
don't-
car. You're
you
too
don't want the
feisty.
honesty.
You're too blood clot bright. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come blood clot back in here. Come in here back.
I'm
Come in
just
here
being
back.
honest with you. I'm just being honest. I'm just
Okay,
being honest. It doesn't look good.
really and
It
truly,
don't look
really
good.
and truly, it really look like a
It
beaver
don't look
tail.
good. Yes.
And it really don't look good.
It really don't look good. So, I don't know. I don't want you. People are gonna be looking at you, laughing at you and stuff at the store. Like, oh, what did they get ya?
My granddaughter is a prank. It's a prank. There's no fucking way. There's no way we're gonna wear this night. This is just a prank, sweetheart. Me did just.
So you bought a bad wig or something?
No, I'm a good wig. I can't believe saying I wear this wig so many times. Look how much time I wear this wig. I'm a good
So how
wig.
does it look so?
I'm a good wig. It's my good wig. It's my good wig. Me just
Can
put
it run?
No, it's my good wig. Remember one day when you wear my wig and me wear the next one. I'm a good wig.
Oh, so it was you shifted it.
Yeah, me just turn it back way just to run the prank by you. But I'm a
Can
good.
we go because we're running late? Let's go.
I'm a good wig, my girl. I'm a good
You're
wig.
not
I'm a good wig. But I have to go inside. I will get my brush for brush it good. But I'm a good wig.